Hey guys, so I'm going to teach you how to make a bulletproof coffee by yourself instead of spending $4 on one of these little 11-ounce coffees. It could get expensive. Bulletproof coffee, just so you know, is really for people that are keto or want to remain keto or paleo. But anyone can drink it. It gives you a lot of energy in the morning besides just a coffee energy. It also gives you high brain octane oil and grass-fed butter kind of energy. So I'm going to teach you how to make it from home, make it cheap, and taste just as good, if not better. Alright guys, so first I'm going to make my bulletproof coffee the expensive way. So get the Ninja blender or whatever one you want to get. Put your homemade coffee in there. If you want to add collagen, go ahead and do that. This is the from Bulletproof. This is more expensive than other kinds, I'm betting, so you can probably get it cheaper. Again, this is the expensive way to make it. Put a scoop in there. Get the Bulletproof brain octane oil. Now, this is expensive. This is a lot more expensive than like coconut oil. And the reason why is they say brain octane oil powers your brain and body with high energy fuel made from the most potent part of the coconut. This smart fat kickstarts your body's ability to run on brain boosting, fat burning ketone energy. Translation: amplified energy, improved mental performance, and fewer cravings throughout the day. Okay, now what's the difference between this and coconut oil? I don't know. I've tried it both. They both give me energy. So I don't know. Put it in there. What I like to use is ghee butter. I like to use the cultured ghee. It's not as strong tasting, and it makes it yummy. It makes it frothy, kind of like your half and half or whatever. This makes it really frothy. Now, I don't eat honey, but you can add that. I think honey, triggers your spikes your sugar levels, but you could certainly do it. This is a really healthy honey. You can also do what I like to do sometimes is put a couple dates in. So I'll take the seed out and throw them in because the blender is going to blend the hell out of it. But for now, let's keep it like this and put it in the Ninja. The Ninja IQ 1000W. I really like it. Works really good. Just put it on. And there you go. That's the expensive way to make bulletproof coffee. It makes it very, very frothy. I'm going to show you right now. Okay, let's put it in my owl cup. There's a top layer and a bottom. Very frothy, very milky. Okay. Now, it does take getting used to, but once you get used to it, you're going to really love it. At first, just go light on the ghee, especially if it's not cultured like this. And go light on the octane oil, or else it'll be too oily. But then after a while you get used to it and you like it and it feels really good. You get more energy. And here's something weird. Some goat ghee I tried. Didn't taste any different though. Okay, that's how you make bulletproof coffee the expensive way.